wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, I'm Việt Thái, a teacher from the IELTS Workshop. Right, so as Christmas is coming, why don't we talk about the topic holidays and festivals? So that's why in today's video, I'm gonna show you the vocabulary related to this topic and how to use them to answer the IELTS Speaking Part 1 questions about the same topic. Okay, so the first question is, what's your favorite holiday? The second one is, what do people do to celebrate this holiday in your country? And the last one is, what is the importance of holidays? Okay, so here goes the first question. What's your favorite holiday? Okay, so well, besides Tet holiday, which I'm pretty sure that every one of you is familiar with, Christmas is also one of my all-time favorite festive occasions. Although it's not a traditional holiday in Vietnam and non-Christians like us would not attach any religious importance to it, I still feel the joyful atmosphere prevailing everywhere from cafes to stores and shopping malls whenever Christmas comes. Okay, and the second question is, what do people do to celebrate this holiday in your country? Right, so as I said earlier, Christmas is not a national celebration in our country and it's mostly celebrated in Western countries. However, since Western cultures permeated Vietnam, it has been generally favored and welcomed by many Vietnamese people, especially in large cities. So Christmas now is a special occasion when streets are illuminated with brightly colored fairy lights, and it's easy to catch sight of giant Christmas trees beautifully decorated placed in front of shopping malls. And as well as that, many people would like to dress up like Santa Claus, bring the festive spirit to people by handing out presents to children and people crossing by. And on top of that, many people like us would just prefer to take leisurely strolls on walking streets with our families and friends, and also take photos together to capture cheerful moments. Okay, and the last question is, what is the importance of holidays? Okay, so you all know that holidays have a host of crucial roles to play, and there is no denying that they form an indispensable part in our culture and history, whether to commemorate our ancestors or warriors who made sacrifices for the freedom of our country, or just simply celebrate specific times of the year. And on top of that, it's also the perfect time for family gatherings after months of being occupied in work and study. It's also a short getaway from the fast pace of life, a chance to blow off some steam and recharge our battery before getting back to the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Okay, so these are the questions and also the answers accordingly related to this topic. I hope that they are somehow helpful to you. As you can see that I've tried to include a lot of topical vocabulary as well as useful ideas in my own simple answers. So remember to keep it short and be selective in your own speaking part. Okay, so if you find this video helpful to you, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to this channel as well. So again, I'm Việt Thái, a teacher from the IELTS Workshop. See you again in the next videos, so stay tuned!